Hello लोगोफोर welcome back to MJ Stream नोंथांमोनखौ आरोबाव MJ Stream आव बरायबावनाय थाबाय दा आङो बे इन्ट्रो भिडिअखौ दाखालिनि पार्ट मोनसेयाथ' जोबनानै थांबाय ओमफ्राय बगामातिनि पार्ट 2 नि थाखाय बानायदों ओमफ्राय इयाव जायगा जेबो गैया आरोना भिडिअहाय ओरैनो जास्ट जायगाफोरखौ देखायनायल' दं ओमफ्राय बेखौनो इन्ट्रो भिडिअ खालामनो थाखाय आङो बे भिडिअखौ लानाय जादों नोंथांमोना इन्ट्रेस्ट दंबा भिडिअखौ नायलांदो ओके एन्जय द भिडिअ cool not cold it is cool so I'm enjoying now गाखोदों basically I prefer my friends anytime they are along with me well I'm not interested to say I'm not interested in vlogging alone because whatever I did whatever videos I made earlier I was with friends आं लोगोफोरजों बांसिन मोजां मोनो आरोना आं हारसिंखाय माने एसे बानायदों सिगांनि भिडिअफ्राव आं हारसिंथ' गैयानो लोगोफोरजोंसो दंफायो एन्जय खालामदों फैबाय नालाय एसे बेटारिया जोबथारसिगोन मेथाइखौनो गोसो जालायदों दैखौबो मोनदांहरा जाहैबाय मोनफैबाय ओंखारबोबाय I go down and then I will just see around there and I will come back very early. I know where my battery is draining very fast. Hope no bottle goodbye. Nah, bottle goodbye gaya bahang go. Ang juta ko gane bau bye. Bottle goodbye habat hai se sabai. Aja ke very risky le. Picnic spot jayega fra na. Bottle goodbye thai ma bhi thai. So that is the camp. Ada naik ni sih. Naik ini pernah gile gak? Tani biasa mereka gila. Welcome to Bogamati Green Trek and Adventure. www.bogamati.in website belong. Am I looking tired? Yes, I'm really tired now. Ang ming marpai mana yang ni batre na mara wana putila sih. Longest zip line. Oh, I mean nam kena bung dengar kayak zip line. No, I actually forgot the name. What is that? Zip line in Assam. Longest zip line in Assam. 350. It is 350 meter. And here is also paragliding. Swing, all those things. See, activities, what activities are there? Water rafting, camping, trekking, parasailing, kayaking, aqua roller, zipline, yoga, cycling, and then adventure training camp You can contact here, but it is not working. Kita dong dah hebat aron naik. Management committee ni apa dah hebat. It was on 25th and then 26th January 2021 when you Bogamati. Bird activities live. Photography didn't look at na. Okay, I will be on the swing for a while. Yeah. But snake na yaki. Okay. Wait. Ayo, mau dong ada. Yeah. I'm on the swing now. Enjoying the swing. And this is another thing I'm going to sit here too. Okay, just for a while. Oi. Ra have you. Vì cái đồng phong cả hai ra đến. Có thu cái level gila ni macam mana? Mama so mama jadi extra deh sih.
Jeng Januari saya sembilan tahun dah macam itu lah. Saya menurut saya macam dah gitu lah berteman.
Dah gitu lah na. Besok semua bina orang isi.
Nama kita Januari pergi. Dah macam itu lah mana berteman.
Basic line apa suli lah na?
Suli ya macam itu.
Macam berapa na? Pipin baik. Okay friends, it's time to say bye because I don't have any more shirts and battery shirt gila. Logoफोरखौ उनाव लोगो मोनसिगोन ना battery gila. Dah doनथ'बाय एसेनोसै. Thank you for watching.